Believe it or not, it's still possible to pair foods with wines, even if you don't know what they are. As long as you know their flavor profiles, you can pair almost anything with them. So what we do know is that we have 4 reds, 2 are on the lighter side, and 2 are a bit more intense. I've got 2 of my own recipes here that are going to work with both styles. And once again, all I'm doing is taking simple flavors that I know already work with red wine and stacking them on top of each other to create something more complex that's greater than the sum of its parts. For the lighter reds, let's do a sweet potato, mushroom, and sausage bake. So you're going to start by dicing some sweet potato, onion, and garlic. Bake those on a pan at 400 degrees. After about 20 minutes or so, you're going to add pieces of sweet Italian sausage and bake everything together until it's cooked. While that's baking, reduce some mushrooms on a stovetop. When everything is done, combine it all together and put it in a skillet, and then char it under a broiler. We're going to top that with hard Italian cheese and fresh herbs. In this case, I'm going with sage. And for the heavier reds, we're going to need something with a bit more oomph. Let's make a beef and blue cheese slider with beet and radish slaw. Start with what would be your favorite meatball recipe with the addition of blue cheese. I'm going with what they call a meatloaf mix, which is a combo of beef, veal, and pork. Form this meat into small 2-ounce patties, and we're going to bake them in the oven at about 350 degrees for 20 minutes. For our slaw, grate some beets, radish, orange zest, and toss all of that in oil and balsamic vinegar. Serve the patty on a sweet bun and top with the relish. Both of these dishes are so simple to make, and once again, all of these flavors can be combined, mixed, and matched to make your own creation. So have fun with it. This is so delicious. Cheers.